Hi, Mama. The conditions in your tank's a little bit humid. We should probably open the lid. Yep. Finish on time. Bubbles. You're still mad at me for taking pictures of him. That's right. Awesome. You're awesome. Okay, we'll see you later. I'm gonna fix you up here.